Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer and I'm from Raven Knights Crafts, and today I would like to show you a simple tutorial on how to open a jump ring. Today I'm going to be using my flat nose pliers, and I have two of them. The reason I have two of them is because I can usually get a better grip on the jump ring. However, if I didn't have two of them, you could use a round nose plier. If you do not have jewelry tools, that's okay. These items can be found in a basic toolkit. So one thing I want to start with is when you're opening a jump ring, you do not want to open away. You don't want to pull this direction. You want to pull backwards and forwards. If you pull this direction, you will not be able to get the jump ring back into a full circle, and it will weaken that jump ring. So you'll see here that I've already opened and put this jump ring on my toggle clasp. When these are brand new, open jump rings have this very slight line at one side of the jump ring, and it can be difficult to see sometimes. But that is where you are going to open the jump ring. Hopefully you can see, I'm going to try to get you at my angle, you can see that I have it already slightly opened so that you can see where the top of that jump ring is. So you're going to grab both and just bear with me for a minute because I want to try to keep you in my screen, and I'm trying to watch at the same time. I'm trying not to tip over my phone either. I just did that a few minutes ago. So, okay, so I'm going to grab a hold of that, and I'm going to grab as tight as I can, and I'm going to pull backwards and forwards. And you'll see that jump ring start to open. Just one thing about this jump ring is it's a 6mm jump ring, so it's a little bit stronger than some of the other ones. It's got a lower gauge to it, so it's thicker. That's not a bad thing because the heavier the metal, the tighter the fit. So hopefully it won't slip from your jewelry piece. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that on. Okay. And I think it kept you in the frame, so that's good. Alright. Okay, and then you're just going to do the reverse. You're going to go backwards and forwards again. Okay, just take me a second. So I'm going to squeeze that down quick. So the goal is to not have any gaps in between that hole. That's a pretty tight fit. If it's not, just squeeze together. You can go backwards and forwards just slightly, and that will help bring that together. I'm just going to squeeze that back down. So I have a pretty tight fit in there. I don't see any gaps. So that's really important to have it as close together, and the reason I squeeze it is because squeezing it will help that metal form together and bring it into a tighter fit. So there you go. That should not slip off there. It should be good to go. Over time, as jewelry is worn, sometimes the jump ring can pull apart, so just check your jewelry occasionally and pull those jump rings back together. But like I said, this is a pretty strong metal. This particular one is a 6mm, like I was saying. So I don't think it's going to come apart. I think it's good. So that is all I got. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful afternoon. Bye.